Smaller teams up in the mix as well. Among them, the 31 machine, Ryan Newman, of course, that's one of the powerhouse teams with Richard Childress Racing. After the mistake on pit lane, has raised his way back up to 8th. And so that's important as well. So you've got 8 cars on the lead lap that have a shot at the Daytona 500.
So again, we'll go into overtime and have a green-white checkered finish here. And if the leaders take the white flag, then that's it. But we'll do it as many times as it takes to get to at least the white flag and hopefully the checkered flag. We saw that happen yesterday in the race. Was it 5 times? I think we ended up this one is consistently green no matter what.
5 times, but it was worth the wait. We had the closest finish in the history of NASCAR, 4/10,000 to the second here yesterday between Tyler Ray and today in the Daytona 500. You know, Eric Almirola sitting there running second, moved over from Richard Petty Motorsports number 43 to take over the seat vacated by Danica Patrick this year. Eric Almirola has won here before in July. He's from Tampa, Florida, and he's in the running for the Daytona 500.
And the car that he vacated, that 43, now driven by Darrell Wallace Jr., having a great run as well. He's been in the mix all afternoon, running in the 6th spot right now. So this is anybody's race at this point.
Paul Menard back up in the mix as well for the Wood brothers, running inside the top 5.
Back at the World Center of Racing, cleanup is underway over in turn 2 with a crash occurred a few moments ago, just 2 laps from the advertised distance of the Daytona 500. So we're going into overtime. Quite a bit of work going on along the pit lane. Some cars being taken back to the garage. We'll recap that in a few moments. I want to say hello to a couple of new radio stations, a couple more new stations aboard for our coverage of the 60th running of the Daytona 500. Cash 95.9, Radar, Minnesota. 97.9 ESPN in Tallahassee, Florida, and WWGE 1400 and WKGE 850 and 101.